In today's video, we're going to be making pasta. I'm going to start by pouring water into my pot, then allow the water to boil before I add my pasta. I'm going to cook for 4 to 6 minutes. Then I'll take it out once it's done and drain the water. In my pan, I'm going to be adding a little oil and I'm going to add my onions and fry for 2 to 3 minutes. Then I'll go in with my tomato paste and combine properly. I'll leave that to fry for a few minutes. Then I'll go in with my seasoning cubes, curry, thyme, pepper. I'll be adding my crayfish, then I'll combine properly. After that, I'll be going in with my Titus, which I'll combine properly. I'll be adding some water and salt to taste, then I'll cover to cook for 5 minutes. After that, I'll add my pasta and combine properly. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, share and comment. See you guys in my next video.